All right, everybody, check it out. This is going to be part of our newest release of our basic training suite software. Right now, we got Peter, who is our operator on our really virtual real forklift premium model. And if you look at the tablet, you can see me, El Bandito. On here, I am remote viewing from 1,200 miles away, helping Peter as his trainer to learn how to operate a forklift. One of the nice features of our new Remote Connect trainer capability is that Peter gets full audio of me talking to him. He'll get some video feedback from me talking to him as well. And I can see everything that's happening from his perspective, from wherever I'm at, whenever I'm at. So I'm going to give Peter some basic instructions to help him get acclimated to using the Real Forklift Premium model. And then we'll do a little bit of training.